Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Google Chrome error problem in laptop or PC. So firstly, all you have to do just reload that browser and see if it's work or not. If it's not working, then go to the next step. The next step is go to the search bar and write here Chrome, or you can search Google Chrome. Now right click on this and go to file location. Now find Google Chrome here, right click and go to properties. Then you'll find here compatibility, this tab, click on this. Now you should check on this, run this program compatible for, click on this and make sure it is Windows 8, not Vista 7 or nothing, just Windows 8. Okay, then click on apply and OK. After that, click again this Chrome browser, right click and go to properties. Now in target box, this target box, all you have to just write here space double colon, then no sandbox. Sorry for a little mistake. All you have to just double click. I'm showing you again, sorry. All you have to go the very end and click one space, then double dash dash, right here no dash sandbox. Now just click on apply and then click on continue and then click on OK. Alright, now go to Chrome browser. The next step, going to Chrome browser here on top and choose extensions. Now click on manage extensions. Now here you will find all of your extensions, but if you find any extensions that is feel malicious or you doubt about that extensions, then you have to delete that extensions. Okay, so after complete deletion, you have to restart your computer and check back, it will work for you. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.